Hey, lovies, welcome to our asynchronous course. As I stated in your initial email announcement, asynchronous courses mean that we will never meet face to face. Instead, all of your lectures will be recorded online, your book quizzes are online, your exams are online, everything is found within your Blackboard course shell. So, first thing you need to do to get acclimated to the course this week is to explore your course shell. The first thing you should do, of course, is click that Get Started Here button. This is applicable for whether or not you are in History 101, History 102, Geography 213, or Geography 214. The directions are the same. Log in to your Blackboard course shell, find your introductory video. From there, you need to ensure that you find your syllabus, which is located over here under the syllabus tab. Read the syllabus thoroughly, people. After that, make sure you complete the syllabus quiz. Syllabus quiz is going to be how we're going to verify your attendance for the semester. I hope that you are planning to make a schedule for how to keep track of your assignments. Don't forget that not only are the due dates listed on your syllabus, but they're also listed underneath that handy dandy important due dates tab. Again, your modules are here. Modules are corresponding to each individual chapter. Your book quizzes are found in modules. Your lectures are in the modules. Everything you need is in the module, including book quizzes, with the exception of your exams, and exams are found under the exam tab. I'm looking forward to having a great semester with you all. Go ahead, get logged in to your Blackboard account, complete that syllabus quiz after you read the syllabus, of course, and I look forward to seeing you asynchronously soon. Bye. Have a great day. I love you unconditionally.